Namaste and hello to everybody. Welcome to my new channel called the Prana TV. Prana means the life energy. I am Dr. Jayaram Rai. I am a medical doctor and a practicing cardiologist. I have done my MBBS from Bangalore Medical College and then my MRCP in internal medicine from United Kingdom. Further, I worked for 4 years in cardiology and then received my fellowship from the Royal College of Physicians of London. I've been practicing and living in Bangalore city, and I am into medical practice for almost 50 years now. I am also an author and published several books both in English and in Kannada, which is my vernacular. The purpose of starting this Prana TV is to propagate the ancient science of India called the yoga. Yoga is a Sanskrit word derived from the original word yuj. Yuj means the union or the yoke, which is the binding force. In other words, yoga means the union of self with that of the universal self. The yoga undoubtedly helps in achieving a positive health which is almost free from disease. That is the purpose and the aim of regular practice of yoga. There are several types of yoga, but I am going to dwell only on Hatha Yoga. The word Hatha, that is the letter Ha, is derived from the sun, which is supposed to be the positive energy, and the word Ta means moon, which is supposed to be the negative energy. These two, positive and negative energies, are present in our body, but they say it is mainly concentrated on the spinal column and up into the brain. The aim of practicing Hatha Yoga is to derive a fine equilibrium or balance between these two forces. Now, friends, Hatha Yoga has 3 aspects. One is the asana or the body posture. Number 2 is pranayama or the yogic breathing. And number 3 is meditation or remaining in solitude. I am not going to talk about the asanas, but I am going to talk in detail about the pranayama, that's the breathing technique, and the meditation. Because we all know that these two disciplines in yogic science help in developing the resisting power of our body. The mind plays an important role in both mental well-being as well as physical well-being. So it is important that we practice this pranayama and meditation regularly. Friends, we know today the pandemic which is taking a devastating toll in all over the world is nothing but a respiratory virus. Pranayama, the respiratory technique, will help to a great extent in developing our own body's immunity against this respiratory virus infection. That is enough for this episode, and you will be hearing more about the techniques of or different types of pranayama and the different techniques of meditation. Till then, you stay home, stay safe and take care. Bye.